I've got my firework stash here. There's not a lot, but there's enough for this year. Hopefully I'll go one better next year. So to start off with, I've got some silly cows. These rockets look good online. Hopefully they are really good. I've got some flying pigs, which I presume the same as the cows. Hopefully. I've got some of my favourite air hawks. These are brilliant, absolutely amazing. The neighbours don't like them because they're really loud, but I love them, so that's good. I've got Night Invader. Not sure what this actually does. Where is it? This does eject stars and banks. Okay, hopefully that'll be good. I've got Havoc. This is a new one to me. I'm not sure what this actually does. I've been told apparently it's the same as keepers, gatekeepers, but I'm not 100% sure. And as you can see somewhere on here, it's got red, green, yellow, blue and purple bursts with glitter. Hopefully that's really loud. I've got the Slammer. That was from the range, so hopefully this will be good. Never seen it before, so hopefully it'll be alright. I've got Hell's Soldier. When I get it, it's quite heavy. Sorry about this. Hopefully this is good. Never seen this one before either. I've got some atom bombs. These are really loud, so I'm definitely going to enjoy them ones. I've got some Starbusters. I ain't got a clue what they do, so they're new to me as well. I've got a Scud silo, which fires loads and loads of little missiles. And I brought 3 selection boxes. I've got Bonfire, Guy Fawkes, sorry about that, and Presidential. These are quite good for the money. This one was 50 quid, this one was 16, and this one was 13. So, you know, there's mixtures like fountains, Roman candles, just your basic stuff. That one there, Scud Buster, that was £15. Atom bombs were a tenner. Starbusters, they were a £5. The Slammer, that was £8.99. Havoc was £25. Night Invader was only £15. And Hell's Soldier was £25. And my Air Hawks, these were £20 for a pack. I could have got Air Hawks 2, which I might get for £25 where they explode twice. Flying pigs were 15, and silly cows were 15. So that's my stash for this year. Hopefully next year I'll do another one, and I'll see you then.